How do you view organic landing pages in GA4? An organic landing page is the page people entered your website on after conducting an organic search. These are the pages that are ranking and getting traffic from search results. So by reviewing organic landing pages, you can understand which pages are the most important for your website's SEO. To view the organic landing page report in GA4, you'll want to start by going to the Reports section. In the sidebar, hover over Reports and click on it. On the Reports screen, you'll see another sidebar. Now, your sidebar may differ from what I'm showing here because this can be customized by using the GA4 library. But typically, you'll see something that says Engagement. If you select Engagement, you should see Landing Page. Now, this landing page report will show you all the landing pages from all traffic sources. We only want to see landing pages from organic search. So to do that, we need to add in a filter. So come up here above the graph and click on Add Filter. This will open up the filter panel, and then we can build our filter to only view organic search results. Now there's a few different ways you can do this, so let me walk through a couple of different methods you can use. The first method you can use is filtering by channel. A channel is a high-level grouping of the different kinds of traffic sources leading people to your website. Organic search is one channel, and that's a high-level grouping that includes Google and Bing and other search engines who are bringing people to your website. Other channels would include referral traffic, or social media traffic, or paid search traffic, and so on. To filter by channel, in the dimension area, select channel or type in channel. Now you'll notice there's a few different choices that come up here for channel. We have session default channel group, session primary channel group, first user default channel group, and first user primary channel group. Now, I'm not going to talk about the differences between primary and default in this video, but I will talk about the differences between session and first user. A first user filter will filter to anybody who entered your website from an organic search result on their very first visit to your website. Using a session filter will filter for anybody starting a new session on your website. That still may be confusing, so let's walk through an example. Let's say a visitor comes to your website originally from an email newsletter, and then sometime later they come back to your website from an organic search result. This visitor has come to your website twice, so they have two different sessions. Their first use of the website was from an email, not from an organic search. So because this user's first session was not an organic search, they would not be included if you were to filter by first user default channel group set to organic. However, a session filter set to organic would include this visitor. That's because this visitor's second session, the second time they came to this website, it started after viewing an organic search result. So which one should you use? Well, first user is helpful to understand where the visitor initially started, how they initially got to your website. But session filters are helpful to understand the total volume of people coming to your website. Typically, when I want to view organic landing pages to my website, I want to view session because I want to understand the total volume. I want to understand all the pages that people came to my website on. But depending on your particular use case, maybe first user would prove to be more helpful. I would recommend you do the filter both ways to get an understanding of how they differ and see which one will really work best for you. Whichever one you choose, you can select it here. And then under match type, you can say exactly matches. And then this will bring up a set of options. This is where you can see all the different channels that brought people to your website. We want to view organic landing pages, so we're going to choose organic search. Once you've selected that, hit apply. This will update the landing page report to view all the landing pages from organic search. Now, instead of filtering by channel, you can also filter by source. So let's say we don't want to just see all organic landing pages, but we specifically want to see the landing pages from a Google search result. So click on Add Filter again. This will open up that Build Filter panel. And on here, instead of choosing channel, we now want to set our dimension to source medium. So in dimension, find source medium. Once again, we have a few different options that come up. And the difference between session source and first user source is the same as what we were just looking at with channel. In this case, I'll choose session source medium as this filter's dimension. and then you can choose the match type. Now you'll notice under here that we have two different options for Google Organic and Google CPC. And this is why we chose source medium as our dimension, because Google can send different types of traffic to our website. They can send organic traffic to our website, and they can send paid traffic to our website. In this case, we want to see organic landing pages from Google, so we can choose Google Organic and then hit apply. This will update the landing page report to show us just the landing pages from Google Organic search results. If you have any questions about working with GA4, please let me know. You can email me at matthew@elementive.com. Thanks for watching.